welcome to Vlogmas episode 23. Alright guys, so you guys saw I went to church earlier today. It was like a Christmas Eve service. And I finished up wrapping some gifts. I just have to kind of throw in the final touches. Now it's 4:14. I feel like it was 4:14 the other day when I was editing the vlog. But it's 4:14 now, editing the vlog, making sure it goes live within like an hour or so. So you guys have probably watched that already. And if you didn't, go ahead and catch up. Vlogmas is almost over. Actually, I'm like excited but also sad that it's like almost over. Yeah, and so now I'm watching this show called 90 Day Fiance with my niece here. Ray, you want to be on camera? So we're watching 90 Day Fiance and we're trying to figure, like, I've never watched it before. So she's explaining it to me and I'm like, wow, interesting. I'm like, why would people want to put themselves through? Listen. But it's interesting. So I have that kind of just playing in the background, and we'll see what the rest of the day has in store. But you guys see, like, the natural hair blowout came out so good. Like, she didn't put any flat iron to it at all. So it's actually, like I said, it's kind of like trying to revert back with a curl. But I'll probably end up putting some flexi rods to keep it kind of like this so that I don't put any more heat on it. But I mean, it wouldn't be like a bad idea to kind of like freshen up like the roots and stuff, because the roots are probably what tries to revert back to natural first. So basically, so now they know you, Lily. So the people know you. So Lily can't hide from the vlog, guys.
I could not be any cozier right now.
Oh, I thought you were going another way with that. I feel like you were actually. Lily.
I think I was thinking of like a Beach Boys song when you started that. I don't know where I was going.
Listen, this hair, what the heck? Alright, so I'm not too sure where I left off because I was at my friend's house, Lily. You guys met her yesterday in the vlog. And again today if you didn't watch yesterday's vlog. And you know, we had to cut our trip short, and now I'm just home taking off my makeup, and I was like, why don't I just take you guys along to get unready with me and show you guys what I use. Like, I don't really have a lot of makeup on, simply because I've really been loving a little bit of concealer, some brows, and especially since I have lash extensions, I really don't have to do much. And of course I have highlight on. If you follow me on Instagram, yo, my highlight was like beaming on today. Okay, it was just like, I've arrived, I'm here, what is your name? My name is Michelle Anna. So I'm going to be using, and I've been using, the Simple cleansing wipes, and this one actually removes waterproof mascara really well. I don't have waterproof mascara on, but if you wear waterproof mascara, this is going to be really good for that. You want to go with something that works really well but isn't like super harsh. The Neutrogena wipes are actually like a staple for me as well. But, you know, you always have to try something, like, new. Alright, this is the best angle that I can get because the chair, there's, like, a bunch of gifts in front of me. But, like I said, I don't have much on my face. But I figured I'd let you guys get unready with me. Why not, right? So, tomorrow is Christmas Eve. It is the second to last day of Vlogmas. And so I'm going to share with you guys my plans. So for Christmas Eve in the Latino culture, it's pretty much Christmas. Like, literally, it's pretty much Christmas. I feel like you guys can't hear me, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys closer. Hopefully I can do this with one hand. And so it's pretty much Christmas Eve is pretty much Christmas for us. And so literally our celebration is gonna happen in the evening time over my sister's house. And we have a bunch of family, a bunch of people coming over. Then on Christmas Day, I'll be with the Crumb side of my family. You guys always ask for them, how they're doing. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for Christmas Day brunch with the Crumb side of my family. And yeah, and then I'll just be ending the day, maybe like, I'll maybe go to the movies. I don't know what I'm gonna do like toward the end of the night. But Christmas Day is literally like always up in the air because I literally, like, we celebrate Christmas on Christmas Eve. So I don't know, are you guys the same? What are some traditions that you guys keep for Christmas if you celebrate Christmas? What are some traditions that you guys do? Do you guys celebrate more so on Christmas? If so, do you guys like play games? While I'm here, I'm gonna actually insert here the 4 recipients for today's Vlogmas episode of who will be receiving the Christmas card. I'm literally sending them out right after Christmas so that I can send them all out. Also, what I started talking about earlier was a social media detox. I'm literally going dark, like I want to say maybe after the Confident Women virtual conference. That'll probably be like my last day online until the new year. Like, I'm just going to delete social media off my phone, really just take time away and just unplug and really seek God for some things that I really just want to be like super clear with. So anyway, I'm gonna finish getting unready. This is all I'm gonna do though, honestly. I'm going to probably take another wipe and really wipe my face down really well. And yeah, guys, what an amazing feeling at the end of the day. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's Vlogmas episode. Tomorrow is episode 24, Christmas Eve, one of my favorite times of the year. I can't wait to bring you guys along. Like I said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.